Hey y'all, it's your girl Sashie E. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing wand curls on my hair. So a few videos ago, I did do a halo braid tutorial and I had some spiral curls coming down to the side. And I was like, oh, I think that'll be really cute on my entire head. So that is what I'm going to be doing today. As far as what's going on with my hair, I did wash it, deep condition it, and do all that good stuff to it last night. And then I put it in some twists to let it air dry overnight. And I don't have a blow dryer, so I did use my straightening brush just to straighten it out a little bit, just to give it kind of a blow dry effect. So yeah, y'all, let's get started. So this is my hair with all the twists out. So I'm just going to go in and I'm going to comb it out. So this is my hair looking nice and blown out. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to section my hair off. I do want a side part, so I'm going to put it in, I think, about 4 or 5 sections. Alright guys, so my hair is sectioned off. I have 4 sections going on. I already put some heat protectant in my hair, so I use this IC Fantasia heat protector straightening spray. It's also a hair polisher, so it does give me a really nice shine. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to section my hair and start the wanding process. So I think I'm going to do medium sections, so about this big. And this is the wand that I'll be using. It's on 410 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to use my fine tooth comb and I'm just going to make sure that section is properly detangled. And I'm going to take the wand, wrap it around. So this is how it's looking so far. The heat protection does make it a little bit smoky, but that is okay. Alright guys, so I am done with the back. I'm just going to show you guys how it looks. So it looks like a chunky twist out so far, which is the look that I was going for. So it's going well so far. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the sides and then the front. Alright guys, so I am done with the sides and also the back. I'm loving it so far. The curls are really light and bouncy. So I just have this middle section left. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this. And I want it to come like over my forehead, kind of like this, and give me kind of like a bang effect. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. Alright guys, so I did go ahead and I added some Shine and Jam just to the edges of my hair on this side. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of this oil sheen spray and I'm just going to spray my hair with it. Just to give it a little bit more shine. And yeah guys, these are the end results of the wand curls. Let me know if you guys like it. So it's super nice, super bouncy. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a huge thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know if you guys are feeling the look. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. I do post every Sundays and Thursdays at noon, and I'm also on Instagram at SashieE.tv. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!